nutritional standards or something like that, or animal gets sick, are we liable for that?
If animal gets sick from the, no, you're not liable. I mean, how are you liable? You didn't do anything on purpose. Opposite is true. You're trying to care for this animal, right? So yeah, you're not liable. I don't think so. So one thing about the animals, I mean, it's different halacha, but just since we're on the topic, so you're not allowed to eat until you feed your animal. So you came from work, you're very tired, very tired. So he said, I'm going to have dinner, I'm going to drink, and right after that, I'm going to give my animals to the food. So the Torah says it's not allowed. You came from work, you're very tired, very nice. Drink a little, whatever you need to drink, water, tea, and give them food first, and then you're allowed to eat. Before you don't give them food, you're not allowed to eat. And one of the examples, I think with cover, maybe not, I don't remember, but it's in Shulchan Aruch. So it says between washing of the hands, right, and Seidid Hamotzi, so you're not allowed to talk. So if you talk, so you have to go back and wash your hands. There's an interruption. But they say, there is a permitted speech. Well, what is a permitted speech? And Shulchan Aruch gives this example. If you need salt, if you don't know where the knife is, okay, well, what do we need for the purpose of the meal? Or he said, or you can ask the question: did you mix the water and the food for the cows? You understand? That's permitted speech before eating bread. Why? Because you're not allowed to eat this piece of bread until you feed the animals. You understand? So that's very interesting.